Hi, this is Clay again from Lake Charles Toyota, and I'm here once again with Jessica. Say hi, Jessica.
Hi.
Hi. We are sitting out front of a 2020 Avalon, and we're going to continue our tool and tires series. The Avalon is very similar as the Camry in that respect, so we're going to go ahead and show you the goods.
All right, so your spare and your tools are all going to be in your trunk. So I have my handy dandy little key here. We're going to pop our trunk. So first thing we need to do is we're going to take this little clip here. We're going to get our carpet mat out of the way. Handy dandy little clip, keep it out the way. You do have all your tools here. They are put in like this almost styrofoam case so they don't rattle when you're on the street. All about that road noise. Underneath, you're going to have your spare. It is screwed in. You are going to have to unscrew this bolt. It is going to take you quite a few turns to get that bolt out. So that, you can get your spare out.
And like the other, it is not a full-size spare, but it is a full-diameter spare. It is the same height that is on the vehicle already. It is not a donut, so it is much safer to ride around in, and you won't ride on the lane risking being unsafe on the road. So that is how you access your tools and your spare tire in the 2020 Avalon. If you guys have any questions about anything, please let us know. Thanks for watching.
Bye.